A lovely day from here. The only place you can compare heaven with right now is the place I'm communicating from, which is the West. Please, if you are watching, do not hesitate to share this very broadcast among your friends. If you are watching, just share. A lot is going on in our country. There are still killings everywhere, every loops and corner. In Nigeria, the crime rate is increasing. And I have a word for our enemies of freedom. The only offense committed by Nnamdi Kanu was to defend the defenseless. That's the only offense he committed. And the same charges were charged against Jesus. They said he called himself the King of the Jews, that is the Messiah. He was nailed to the cross. And the people that nailed him, it was the same people he came to come and, liberate. So life is like that. I'm going to be playing a very short video for you, or to you, about what's happening in Kaduna State as we speak. Kaduna State as we speak. Governor El-Rufai have closed both private schools and government schools because of insecurity. I thought they said Nnamdi Kanu is the one intensifying Nigeria. I thought they said Nnamdi Kanu is the one causing tension. Then why is insecurity still in our society? And why is I see recently that the Fulani herdsmen, they are eating people's farm in numbers, in thousands. I also saw another one because some group of farmers drove away Fulani herdsmen away from their farmland. The army came, according to the video, because they were putting on an army uniform. They came with cutlass and began to cut the old crops away. I thought when Nnamdi Kanu is arrested, I think everybody will be at peace. And why still we still seeing a lot of things that is not so favorable in our society? What's happening? So earlier the better for you that is watching me right now to stand on your feet. I begin to do the right thing. Amigo, ¿qué tal?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Muy bien. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Cómo has hecho hoy? Estaba jugando todos los días, ¿no?
Poco, pero...
A ver, ¿tú lees en casa un poco? ¿Qué clase es? ¿Sexto? Tienes que leer un poco, ¿no? Todos los días no tienes que jugar, ¿sabes?
¿Sí?
¿Qué van a hacer cuando tú seas mayor? Doctor...
Futbolista.
¿Futbolista? Ah, tú sabes jugar pelota, ¿no? Ah, qué bien. Muy bien. Está en la Facebook.
¿Sí? ¿Cuánto tienes?
Ahora acaba de empezar, casi 3 minutos. Tienen 50 horas.
Está bien.
Bueno, amigo.
Adiós.
Adios. So please, if you are watching, make sure you share. If you are watching, it's very, very important to share. And the share we are seeing right now is not enough. For us to have a better society, every one of us need our hand to be on desk. Leave those people that is on the fence, leave them on the fence. A lot of people in Edo State, a lot of people in Nigeria does not even know it's Gumi. They don't know Gumi. Could you know, a lot of people in Nigeria still don't know what's happening. But our brothers and sisters that have access to, like, even people in Germany doesn't even know it's Gumi. They don't know what's happening. That's the most terrible thing. They don't know what is happening. That's the most terrible thing. They don't know. Who is to say it to them? Particularly those days, if I don't talk them, who want to talk them? Who is to talk it? Or is to say it? Look at some of the bloggers. They don't even carry my video. They don't. They don't want to spread the news. Because they even want their brothers and sisters to die in pains. Right now, Nnamdi Kanu have been arrested. Still, the insecurity continues. Then who is fooling who? It's even intensifying right now. Could you know what Nnamdi Kanu was to even to protect Governor El-Rufai, was to protect him. Today, right now, he cannot protect his people. Only what he can be able to do is to close up schools. Make them sit down for house. But did they close school in Imo State? No. Now, let me categorically state it clear. We have animals as a leaders in Nigeria. That's the major problem we have right now. We have animals as a leaders in Nigeria. That's why you are seeing what you are seeing today. There's no state that's going to be exempted. Someone shared a video with me. He shared a video with me talking about the revelation that God gave to him. You know, I played it. I tried to understand what the guy is talking about. And what the person in question was talking about is some of the things I do let you know day in and day out. Some of the tribulation I've seen, I've said it frequently on my video, that when war comes, all your property will be erased. It will be erased. Nothing is going to be remaining. You that have used your own blood to put a monument in your country, everything will be burnt down. People will feel the jealousy you before, now they'll fair run enter your house. Raise your house down. Burn her down deliberately. Women are come religion. Wa fearing your that guy where they insult a nigga, way bad inside. Yeah, wa fearing your. That's what people will do. The reason why we try our possible best to make sure we avert all this problem is for a purpose. But funny enough today, people are not ready to join in this very struggle. People are out there performing shenanigans, following talk show hosts. People does not even know it's Gumi. They don't know it's Gumi. Shakao, they don't know it. They don't even know Lai Mohammed. They don't even know people doing bad in Nigeria. The name is Buhari. That's why, okay, now who you don't know how you want to pray about and you don't even have his picture, you don't even have his name. How will these people pray? A lot of them today, they are going to die in ignorance. They don't even know it's a major problem. Enough for some of us that be talking about tonight, they can thank God for our dear brothers and sisters. The good one is I do share a video. And thank God for also Danny Yayi, who have been, kind of trying his possible best to make sure our work going out there. Check out the old blogger, they are demons. They are Illuminati in disguise. If all you promote in a given society is chaos, all you promote in a given society is chaos, you prefer to promote a video where the youth insult person, Papa, but you don't want to promote a video that people have do research about, to talk about it, to make sure we have a better society, and who is spoiling our communities. They are not interested. Then that same person will come tomorrow and call himself a human being. He's not a human being. A lot of people don't feel that before. And that will correct us, not that we really want it for ourselves. But there are people that will also come across this video, look at it, and he go put sense into his head. People doesn't even know the major problem. They just say it's all about Buhari. No, it's not all about Buhari. The South governor, most of them, they are demons. They are just animal in uniform. They cannot protect you. This is what Nnamdi Kanu came for. And this is the same Nnamdi Kanu that have been arrested. Since the arrest of Nnamdi Kanu, killing is going on in Fasara. Killing is going on in Enugu. Everywhere killing is going. And right now, it's on the Igbo. It's under custody in Benin Republic. Now, who do we have right now? As a freedom fighter that go to spearhead any struggle. Nothing else. That is to say, the Fulanization, be expecting it for you to lose your hotel. Nothing is going to be standing. If anything happen, if they trigger anything war, nothing is going to be remaining. Go and mark my word. Nothing will remain. Civilization have come to that extent that they will extend it to whosoever that is not even concerned. You may succeed to kind of, you are not going to die, for example, but something terrible will definitely happen to you. Something very, very terrible. Until we wake up from our slumber, nothing will work out. Until we blunt away this archaic idea, nothing will work out. The only offense committed by Nnamdi Kanu today, the only offense that man committed, what to defend the defenseless. Why is some animals in Nigeria? Why are they not seeing it? That this man, they are crucifying him because he's always standing on their way. They are not looking for Nnamdi Kanu, they are looking for you. His problem here is that his offense is committing. Why are you blocking our way? Leave them, my friend. You imagine at times now, when you and your friend is fighting, or you and somebody, you are just racking, decking, you know. So, maybe the person don't throw you big blow. If you want Russian, any person will stand across you, if you even give and fly ready. That is what the Kano is to Nigeria. And Sunday Igboho. And right now, they have been able to cage them. They are in a hurry to make sure they finish every of their plans. According to El-Rufai in that very video, which I'm going to be showing to you right now, he's saying that they want the school to be closed, so that when the jet bomber he bombarded the terrorists, so the bandits, so that it will not affect anybody. Now story. What is happening in Borno? What was happening there? Where terrorists have already taken almost about 5 local governments. But the governor came out and began to say, it's a lie. It's a lie, say something like that not happen. Now, who are they deceiving? They are only deceiving themselves. They are only deceiving themselves. Earlier, the better for you to start speaking right now, because you are going to lose your property. You have used your blood to build for 30 years. You will lose all. We don't pray for war to come. People don't know. You are following SAG. Earlier, the better for you to wake up. If you are to pray, you pray. And okay, how can you even pray for what you don't know about? The problem you doesn't know about, when it comes to war, a mass enemy, a mass major enemy when it comes to war is ignorant, because you cannot fight what you don't know. Those upset you feel, these people celebrating of hotel, all this Cubana, all their things will be raised down, both P Square and all. Their property will be burnt down. Look at the small one that happened the other day now. Don't you see the way on no government, they even went to Hope Uzodinma family house somehow. Make it happen. Your close neighbor will be the one to put fire in your house. The one a year and some Curtis have been fighting in Benin. They will enter police station and they will burn everything with vexation. Your own will not remain. It will, you are going to, you may be feeling it not concern me, but your property is gone. Your property is gone. So earlier the better. Leave me not into temptation is better than deliver me from evil. But when we people like us are talking, a lot of you don't want to believe. You only want to use sentiment. After all, it does not concern me, man. It go concern you later. And if you want evil, can we run? Or can we say? We are not only talking about your head is safe. You will lose everything you have. Everything you have, you will lose it. All entity will be erased. Only the people that can survive is that maybe by the grace of God, the kings and the Niger, they enter private jet, they don't enter here, they don't come out. And even the people you are killing yourself for today, their own private jet not going to contain you. Their jeep is not going to contain you. Now that time you know, say all these way they tell you, oh, not follow me. Your stuff will take you a while. I have explained to you before. This is your wife that you are pampering. We don't use organic cream, take bleach, save the fish latches. He cannot sustain hunger for 2 days. This was what Una the Kanu saw that make him to create ESN. This was what I saw to avoid this very problem that make me to join in the struggle. But most of you have been doing SAG. You SAG your life, before a deadly injection were given to you, don't care to know. Every state in Italy today is saying no green pass. If it is real, they would have taken the green pass. If what you went, or what I'll be saying about if it is a lie, Italians would have not come out protesting in numbers. They are protesting in their million. East state, up to Bologna, my former state before. They protested also in Bologna. They have also protested also in Bologna in millions. Why? Because no to green pass. Because these people, they have come to understand that, yes, there is something that is fishing. So if someone happens to put himself online for a struggle, don't always try to take it personal with the person and say the person is doing it on his own personal selfish interest. No. There is a purpose why the person is doing it. You may not understand today why this guy always coming out, but I'm always coming out every day by day on social media. If I often use 2 words at a time, I don't do the measure. It will different topics, different ideology to different kind of team I put on ground. Why is God always inspiring me to come up with different topics from a different perspective? I'm warning you today. Lead me not into temptation is better than deliver me from evil. It's not about you are in abroad. Spread the news. Your people does not even know who is Gumi. They don't even know it's Gumi. Who is negotiating with terrorist bandits. They don't even know who is Patani. They don't know those people. But how can you gather these people, lead these people and let them go? Leave your followers. Let them go and search out what is a battle before them. Stop stalking them. Stop using your star to stalk them. They are stalking you. They put you into mental slavery with SAG. What's the battle before you? You don't know. Vaccine came up in Europe, you don't know, because what you follow, you determine what will follow you. You follow them today, they have no information to give to you. Your country is in a bed of exploding, but you don't know. The reason why Nnamdi Kanu have been trapped in the dungeon, you don't know. They trap into main church, they get you. Because if you want to kill the sheep, if you want to scatter the sheep, you get hold of the shepherd. The only person that can crumble, can fight Nigeria to a standstill, what must you Nnamdi Kanu? That's why yesterday they did not bring him to court. Because they want him to remain there. They want him to suffer the more. Look at the killing in Enugu today. All these riffraff, all these Zonuma, those Wobian. What are they saying about it? Yes, you are still following them. Yes, they can cause IPOB. Ovigbo Nyamere, that is good. But Ovigbo Nyamere, with that one solve the killing, or your heart that they are going to burn tomorrow in Edo State. With that one solve the problem. You insult Nnamdi Kanu, has it been able to bring security to your doorstep? No. What does it change? Nnamdi Kanu that you are insulting, what does it change? If I keep on doing one thing, then I find out that the thing is not using result, I will stop it. I look at it and my activism will be very effective and it's affecting life in the positive form. That's why I keep on doing it. I'm not doing it because I'm trying to humiliate anybody. I'm doing it because I know anytime I put in work where one or two persons that is not brain dead will come in and also learn from me. That's what gives me encouragement. Why are you doing what you are doing? A lot of people don't know. A lot of people, 80% of people, let me say 90%, both America, UK and all, they don't even know what's about to happen to Nigeria. They don't know why IPOB is protesting everywhere. They don't know. All they know that the way the federal government, Janjaweed Caliphate, prescribe IPOB, that they are terrorists. And some American people put it on their head because they feel they are terrorists because they don't think. They don't think. That is the problem. They feel really is a terrorist. They don't know that it's only the person that will be disturbing them. When time will come, you will start learning. You will leave Edo and start spitting my fish miskila. Allahu Akbar. This kingdom you are dragging will no longer be kingdom. Your heritage will be gone. Do you even know why the federal government of Nigeria is procrastinating right now? I'm not interested about that they are going to get hold of this artifact and they are going to bring it to, it's going to be for Nigeria. You don't know some of the things behind it. But most of you are interested about the artifact, but you are not interested about your life. You are not interested about whether the state will collapse or not. You are not interested. After all, it does not concern you because you are an animal in animal kingdom. Even when they can't even try by calling Nigeria is not even a zoo, it's a forest. A forest of wayward animals. It's not even a zoo now. A zoo in Europe, I think it's more that is. You see good animal there. And you can see more monkey that have sense. It's a forest.
Hello.
Hello, how you doing? Come on, stars. These are the things people don't want to understand. Even when you try to make them understand the fee, make it they talk for them. You are following people where they already bringing out Nnamdi Kanu picture. Make they pay you. They already bringing out them. You are following them. You will comment and comment. You are going to be the one that is going to lose. Because I told you yesterday or day before yesterday, if you read the book of Mark chapter 5, Mark chapter 16 verse 16, it says anyone that believes will be saved. If you start it from that Mark 16 verse 15, he said, go into all the world and preach the gospel to every living creature. Then verse 16 of that Mark chapter 16, he said, everyone that believes, he said, and those that believe none will be condemned. A lot of people are also already onto condemnation. They are just trying to drag you along because they know that they have failed. They have nothing to lose. Most of them, you are seeing social media, with their parents, they don't get good relationship. Some of them are outcasts. You that have lovely father, lovely mother, lovely sisters, might they begin to share video that among your friends, whatever you hear in social media, extend it to your loved ones. Tell them what is happening. They are for themselves. They want to grow up their YouTube and become so and so tomorrow. They're not sent. We shouldn't allow what happened in 1967 to happen. If it happens, it's going to be more crazy. It's not going to be between Nigeria. It's going to be Nigerian versus Nigerian. Edoma with Edoma, Aye with Aye. If you don't know, now know. People are just waiting for this to be. Do you know, during war, a lot of people make rich also. During war, a lot of people make rich also. People are waiting for this war to happen. Because they are already hiring the kind of jeep they are going to take and go and pack it inside the book. Because they have, imagine where they don't for the whole state. He go to protect the territory and we get more. Where can no kwa for we bobe you want? Where I say one? Now here be my house before. Or 21 about work where we not waiting and go there before the war. Who are you going to hold? Who are you going to hold? You cannot hold anybody. So people lose during war. The riffraff now they gain war. It go smoker or gain a war. That's why they want it to come. They want it to come because they are knucklehead. People that are beating the drum of war are the most useless people in our society because it's opportunity for them to make money. They can survive it. A man who says they all survive a war, they can run to the farm. You will not drink tea in the morning. In the evening, you don't defend. Now, so power of energy drink, now you they drink. How will you survive hunger for 2 days? There's no way you can survive it. So earlier the better for you to speak up. It will be more better for you right now to speak up, condemn all these things, all these atrocities here and there. Don't begin to take it as if you don't concern you. Take it as your personal problem. Take it as a woman that misses period. Take it as a woman or a man where woman pull a carry belly for a neck. Finding how you go to score the solution to it. Don't take it as if it does not concern you. Wake up in the morning, sweat, get up. How are we going to fix this problem of this country? Your effort is needed. And right now, our commander-in-chief, who we so trust on, who has the map on how he's going to finally bury Nigeria. They've detained him. They've sold him out. He's in the custody of Pilate and Herod. What are we going to do about it? Then you are still following all these fools. Following them here and there, commenting. It's not all about settlement. Stop following all these people where Igbo boy don't frustrate you. Igbo boy promise they marry, they not marry, they don't any gui. Go and find out their secret. All these women, there is something where they hang at them. One who promise they marry, don't know what go. Now make some of them they agree. Okay, now that normal condition, what is the offense of Nnamdi Kanu? What have this guy done? But try to protect the defenseless, defend the defenseless. Ain't you see, I tell this man in America, I do praise him. Because what he has done is not enough for me to just hate him. I just get natural BB for him. It should be IBB. It should be BB Barbele. I'm not supposed to put I join international Barbele. Why they can't add IBB join it can't be IBB for Nnamdi Kanu side? Why is this thing not still playing to them that the purpose why this man created this security outfit? What Arafat today is lamenting for? Is what Rafah is lamenting for? But the accessory you think is just sag. Not be sago. What you are seeing is not sago. It's not sag between one useless dog man and dog woman. No. No, this one is not sag. It's a reality. You are about losing your property and your mother and your father being killed. And you don't see the killing they are killing already. Do you know when they are going to get to your community? Do you know when they are going to get there? You don't know. They are not looking for really IPOB. IPOB is standing on their way. Sunday Igboho is standing on their way. They are looking for you. They are looking for your property. They want to frustrate all your 10 years you spend abroad. You know how many times. Irresponsible. You understand. But I go reserve my comments on one-on-one. Let me play this video for you. Of Governor Rafah. Governor Rafah right now is now finally the general overseer of lamentation. But Governor Rafah, may God punish him. He will not be able to realize that this was what Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. Imagine the old Eastern governor. They are even praying Nnamdi Kanu will not come out. They are the ones that went to go and be doing muye. Federal government of Nigeria kill Nnamdi Kanu. And they are waiting for 2023 election, not knowing that there is not going to be something like election in Nigeria. They are not going to know that all their children will die. They are going to lose all their properties when the war comes. If the war come and it lasts for a month, all your property, you, the governor, Wike will lose his head. Hopus Odidio will lose his head. Every governor will die. If you trigger it, what is going to kill you may be even biochemical. People not get joy. You better leave Nnamdi Kanu alone. Or join the disintegration of Nigeria. Tell them to divide the country. If you want war to come, you will be useless. You are going to start going fabrica again at the age of 65 when you're made person. Because you have nothing to rest upon. Earlier the better for you to listen. Earlier the better for you to listen. Some animal fat is a joke. That's what they always feel. That it is a joke.
Pursuit of abduction or another in Kaduna State, forcing farmers to abandon their farms for fear.
Look at it.
It's been one episode of abduction or another in Kaduna State, forcing farmers to abandon their farms for fear of attacks by bandits.
When we came into office, 3 sources of insecurity concerned us. The first was cattle rustling, which was prevalent in the northern part of the state, northern and central parts of the state. The second was the presence of urban gangs, these young people, Sarasuka and Enshara, whatever you call them. They will just take drugs and attack anyone and everyone on sight. And the third, of course, was ethnic and religious intolerance, particularly in southern Kaduna.
It's in addressing these challenges that the state government calls this meeting with stakeholders to intimate them of its efforts and seek support.
We have been trying to collaborate with other states so that we attack this problem at once, because doing it piecemeal doesn't work.
Another effort is military bombardment on bandits' hideout. The government is, however, warning residents to be on the watch against bandits finding their way to town.
We closed down all our schools in Kaduna is in anticipation of this operation, because we don't want, in the process of the bandits escaping, to attack any school that they see as soft targets.
Some thought leaders are of the opinion that the case in Kaduna is blown beyond proportion, while others want governments to license the use of firearms.
What we are advocating is that people be allowed to protect themselves and, if necessary, acquire the needed weapons to do so. I understand some of the challenges that the government may feel are reasons to discourage that, one of which is the fact that there will be proliferation of weapons in the society. But that is not necessarily correct, because as it is now, we already have proliferations of weapons to saturation in the hands of criminals. So the only people that are not allowed to possess these weapons are the law-abiding citizens.
We can say that it's even worse in places like Zamfara, in Borno and the rest. But in Kaduna's case, you know, it's a special case, because there's a lot of politics in it. There's a lot of religion and ethnicity that is going on. So when Zamfara 5 people are being killed, nobody talks. But when one person is being killed in Kaduna, everybody makes a lot of noise.
In spite of persistent attacks, Governor Nasir El-Rufai expresses optimism that the ongoing military operations will end the reign of terror in Kaduna State.
Now, do you know why Rufai just come on media or come on national television to say this? Many people not to the caution. Now, Buhari you want go key. Now, Buhari you want go bombard. Except if those are the ones who does not belong to the clique of Fulanization. Now they want go bombard. That's who they are bombarding. Why, how Mieti are la leader? Why they not carry a Concord? The way somebody activist right now, a freedom fighter, they Bogoram, arrest one for Cotonou, arrest one for Kenya, Bogoram come Nigeria. How many Fulani are they looking for like that? And these same people who provide them, the same corrupt, the same you that doesn't have sense, who join Buhari? Why did Tapo not provide them? Who provide Nigeria as the 4th worst country in the world where terrorists dey? They are the 4th, number 4th. Who provide them? Why the same people not provide IPOB? Why is if IPOB is a terrorist organization, why are they allowed them to be protesting everywhere? Why are they allowing them to be protesting nearly the whole Europe, the whole world they are protesting, all to Japan? Then because you have no coherence, because you have a problem with Uche. Uche promised to marry you, not marry you, then you carry your grievance and go join one stupid group. Then you are still joining them sharing the video. I see some stupid Benin people also sharing video. They use the instigating or start insulting you now. They can later you see sharing the video. You are a fool and you don't know what you are doing. It just shows that now people they maneuver you here and there. You don't have sense. People are using your head. Why do you not also take your decision? Let's start it from social media. There are things people are doing. If you don't like what they are doing, if you don't support their struggle, forget about their thing. Why must you share such a thing? When you know, if you really know if your sense is correct, and what the Kanu meant for you, is for you to live, then why are you still sharing video they use insulting him? You are not supposed to share such video. What you should be concerned about the liberation of your brothers. Now, have you ever wanted to think, how is the problem going to solve? Have you ever wanted to begin to think right now, how is this menace going to stop? You don't think about it. All we just know, we go to Europe here and you know, wake up and eat and sleep. Then Gavalante here and there. That is only those stupidity. I don't call them celebrity, I call them stupidity. You know that they go to fancy face place and begin to snap picture and do video. But they don't sweat the way I sweat about a better society. They concentrate on what's going to give them money. They don't concentrate consecutively for 1 week of how the society look like. They assume it is well. We cannot continue like this for crying out loud. If you are sharing, you are following a freedom fighter, that is to say, you are in line with that person. You believe in his own struggle also for a better society. Don't be here and be there. Don't be here and be there. A time we go to come, you don't even have a state again. You don't have a place to call your home. Why not so fight for your brothers and sisters at home? If not for yourself. Now let you to get, okay now, let me explain to you. At your Obaseki now, don't finally ban all those wayward Okagele. Now, who we are doing the video about it? Emmanuel Agbogun, Koda Adokbaji, they did a lot of press conference exposing this thing. You will still go there and comment. And they see most of them comment. And you are going too far. My brother, you are going too far because it's Okagele, is a no-gi. You are an animal, you don't know what you are doing. But if those men have not shouted out, if somebody like me have not added my voice to it, how will the governor listen? Are you going to call them today and say, my brother, when I do one, I don't see fight one come out? You will not now. You will not, because you are an animal now. How will you be in life? Up till now, you don't know what life is all about. The purpose why you are living, you don't know. The purpose why you are living, you don't know. There is a purpose why you live. There is a purpose why God gave you hand. There is a purpose why God gave you mouth. There is a purpose why God gave you head. I do tell my friend, that was 2008, when me and one of my Bulgarian friends, Lubo, a lot of people that were close to me know him very well. Lubo is a Bulgarian guy. So we will always talk at times. So anytime he made mistake, I'll tell him, I say, Lubo, la cabeça é para pensar, não é para poner casco, not be one day we wear helmet, put the use and think. That is it. It's to think. But what do they use your own head till they do? Just to put bond trade here. A lot of our celebrities today, they are building houses. What are you doing to protect that house? You think when war comes, nothing will remain. Oh, I don't know why this boy is not getting me clear. I don't know why some people are just animal. I don't know why some people don't choose to be a warrior. I can't get it. I don't know why people become a Osuo. I don't know where you are getting from this Osuolism. All these Cubana that you are seeing, all is apart from the money he has in account, every of his asset will be raised down by his so-called enemies. Your evil pursuer before they are waiting, make the thing start. Once it starts, they attack your property. Fulanis don't even come in, no. Fulanis don't even come in. One or two boys that smoke Igbo, they will just attack your house. Kill you. Everything about your kill your about Gawak Wirona. I got your Kuna guy phone and I will conquer this house. Now so it be. A lot of riffraff will be made rich. You were talking about when we were talking about slavery at time. Who sold you out the first time? It was your father that sold you out. Who is also selling you out today? Is it not your father's? So if people have not spoke about the atrocities of those of Karele, Obaseki for Banda, what are you doing constantly to draw the government attention to it to make sure it's being stopped? You are not doing it. All you do is sag. I'm somewhere right now. I'm enjoying myself. As you can see, I'm in so and so place. God punish you there. What is, let any Edo man tell you. I just mentioned 2 guys right now. And the apostle who are, you know, sir. These people, they are not my friends, so, but we are watching. I know that during the time of politics, the ground they took was a very wrong ground. But they later restrained themselves. Emmanuel Gbagbo hit the government so hard. One of his achievements for this year, the government may not have done it according to how he himself wants it. Is that banning these Okarele that were former first CDAs. And another message we have to put it from here again is for government to try and set up body. As many people they have sold their land, made them vomit and give them in a hurry. As many people these are useless Okarele have sold their land, made them give them back their land. But you think it's just for social media. You go to party and dance. What struggle? After the country don't go now, foreign, you don't get foreign support to represent the nation. Then you can say, yes, Edo to the world. And the people that claim kingdom, they are not even doing anything to protect the kingdom. They don't have any mechanism on ground that will protect the kingdom. The people that claim kingdom. And what we are doing is to save the kingdom. What we are doing, our activism to save the kingdom. Because once soon the Kanu is alive, after it's been declared, all killings will stop. All atrocity in Nigeria will stop. They know. That's why they go after him. Because you are an animal that is in the forest, you are not even in the zoo. They are not one day to microchip you. That's why you don't even have the sense of humor to even take it and say, ah, this boy is fighting for me, or this man must be fighting for us. All things you see him as your enemy. If Nnamdi Kanu was the cause of insecurity in Nigeria, they have arrested him. Why is Rufai? Who is Rufai going to bombard? Well, I started. It says, I can hablar. Essa hablando con gente mi país mucho es cedo. Se no quiere escuchar algo bueno. And they tell and say a lot of my country people, they get it here, most of them, and they be pig. They talk to them on the here. Young boys and young girls. You see everywhere. During the winter, oh yeah, nobody they do. Nobody, everywhere right now, food. Everywhere food. Instead of everybody to pick up phone, tell your association member, tell them what they did, tell them the atrocity of this government. Tell them the reason why they will not be expecting to vote 2023. How will any governor be preparing for 2023 when you have not even survived today? When you have not been able to save your people that is committed to your hand? If we are living in Nigeria where a state governor will carry military, e.g. Hopus or idiots, they will never feel pray for her. Nobody is humiliating Hopus or Dima, all these animals. They are not seeing what Fulani is doing. I pray God, as they need Fulani war, so may it come on time. And may then locate their property in a hurry in Jesus' name. You don't know what's called. Well, go and watch an action film. I said it one time. Just put an action film. Watch it. Now you know expect say one fed and they die. All of them, all the Nigerian boys are. Look at the Cubana story. As many of you will go concentrate on BB Naija, now God will punish you. It's hard time we begin to forbid a lot of things. Cow you will never forbid. BB Naija now, Big Brother Naija, they are bringing out again. You start spending your data to be watching now. Okay, what are you going to gain? A lot of our animals right now, our youth, they have started putting it on their page. Why will you promote such a thing? They are trying to distract you again. They'll do this one and throughout this year so that prepare you ahead so that make you forget your sorrow. Because it does not go to find, it does not know what's happening. Nigeria is immense. Now only foolish person go to follow BB Naija. Only fool now go to follow BB Naija. You tell me the reason, I'll tell you what. It's only a foolish man that will be inside the house when the roof is on fire. Only an idiot, only a fool. Only mad people will be inside the house. If you that now, let me ask. Me and your translator, I just call one Spanish person. Me I ask and say, esa go bueno para uno queda en casa. C'est tu casa está en fuego. Eso persona no es tonton. Il go say si est tonton. Only foolish man. You are following right now. You don't think about yourself. How do we get here? When they give birth to you in a do today, you are 50 years now, nothing is working. In a donor, we give investment to, and they are beating the drum of war. They are beating. You cannot still go home, and you know, people at home they can say because they know themselves. But you cannot go home freely and relax. Don't tell our father will spend up to 2 a.m. in the night. May I tell you as the thing they say for us? Let me display it to you. Et même on là, madame, c'est arrêté de sit down. You go just sit down like this. Oh, hang on day. At time they go whole touch. Arrive. Maybe you don't go wherever you day. Wonu lese ken lawa. Once you know owo we la ebu we ko de. Oma gede gba boyan so. Make they break. Before your dad go come to enter. And those days you go open backyard door, go toilet. Can you try it again now? You can try it. But that one does not bug you. If it's not bugging you, show that you doesn't have a retentive memory. Okay, look at our brother, they are deporting from Germany. I think they later deployed 29 today. About 26, I don't know how many people from Germany, whether native from Germany, but 9 from Austria also. I think I saw the news somewhere. You know, these are the things. The way things are going, it is not how it used to be. But we are not seeing anything bad about it. Why are we comfortable with this suffering? Okay, just look at it. Only the access you have. War come now everywhere born. And you lose your property, how will you feel? War come now, they kill your father and they kill your mother. Or your mother happens to go. Look at everybody. They are relocated from village to Benin. They are relocated from village to Benin. Up till now, the whole Fulani that have been tripping into Edo State at data since 2017. They have not started their job. They are right now in Zamfara, in Kano, in Imo State, in Ebonyi. To the extent that David Umahi confessed that now ESN, they have driven away all the Fulani herdsmen in Ebonyi. But you are not seeing, you are not feeling romance about it. Look at the majority of the social media in Edo State. 90% of them are into SAG. They don't even know what, ask them now what's happening in Nigeria, they don't know. Because they follow one's idiotic and the audacity stupid don't eat it. And these people, they kept them for so long. The same way our pastors kept us under meta slavery, under Pentecostal slavery for so long. The time without looking for Jesus Christ by ourselves is already too late. They don't use your head to do everything. They don't make you for to where you're looking until today. Because why? You go temper with you're not supposed to temper with. The same thing they are doing to you. They couldn't free you. They tie you to their side. Some of them, they use Muyete, they hold their follower. Right now, you have way to go and inject something to your sister. That's why Italians today, they are roaming out in the street. Coming out in the street and saying, no, you cannot say that if we don't take injection, we will go there. They are coming out in millions. If it was so, but where are the Benin animals? Who were defend? Let them come and defend it today. Why nobody talking about it? Why nobody talking about this mess? Are they not protesting everyone in my city? I wish my city, your food today. Is there nobody in Bologna before? All those animals who used to broadcast from Bologna. Would they look for the video and talked about at least in your own backyard? They protested. Why are you not talking about why they protested? Because you are already a victim, because you are an animal. You are an idiot. Now you keep talking. How will you know about it? But this was how they pack you along with themselves. How will somebody create a platform just for Sagwa Alele? No moral lesson, nothing. No, that no moral. A young boy that was supposed to be an activist, he will not become a talkative. You talk. Then you encourage those people. You think you are doing the right thing. At the time you start batting your hand, hey, if I know, not be this gun that for follow, who will go to respect you tomorrow? And what are you giving to the society? Especially none. I don't mention people right now because it was their struggle. I know how many times they call for press conference addressing each of the villages, and I also know when they declare one of them wanted. I address it here. I know when they declare one of them wanted. I know when I Lagos, when I go tell my secretary, Ogunkegbe, may stop that nonsense. But today, what happened? There is already a band in the so-called wayward and sticky or carry that collect land even from your friend. Are you in any struggle? No, you are not in any struggle because your animal cannot be in a struggle now. No animal even good. I would like. No, idiot. Idiot cannot be in a struggle. There are some animals that is, animal, sorry, please. Animal, please, I'm very sorry. I truly have used that word. Idiots. But there are animals that are very sensible. Nonsense. Biological animals. In 21st century, people are still misbehaving. Somebody called me today, say, he brother, I say, brother, sister, be eternity. You don't know Bigumi. You don't know who one can tell him. Look at those social media space. They are not fighting anything. All they do is to analyze hip-hop. Before they know, and they have a pressing need. They have a problem in that state. There are a lot of problems that is beyond the state governor. If people have not been shouting, coming out on media, laying calls on all those bad audio way, Obaseki would have not even known what was happening. No, you no say media get power. Thank God, the God of the night, bless Emmanuel Agbogun and bless Kola Edokpayi for standing to make sure he expose all these Okagele and Okaiwo Kamiame that be selling people land unnecessarily. A time came where they declared they wanted, I've been in solidarity with them, particularly in this, even when the vigilante then they kill somebody, I stand also with them. May God bless them for this they have done. Whosoever that will look for them, heaven and earth will collapse on you people. For this one they have done, God will bless them. Hola, amigo. ¿Qué tal?
Ya te seguí en Facebook.
Ah, bueno.
Hola.
Hola. ¿Qué tal? No quiere, gracias.
Venga,
Gracias. ¿Qué está haciendo ahora? ¿Van a jugar pelota?
Vamos ahí al parque.
Ah, vale.
Adiós, Nicole.
Bueno, adiós. Hola, amigo. ¿Qué tal? All my friends in this area, they are multiplying, though. They are multiplying every day. They are not greeting me in hundreds. Wow, nonsense, idiot. Later on, I say, because you're a bad man, they feel racism. You're a bad man. You see children with bow. They are not even calling me black monkey. They know that I'm not one of you people. How will a grown man, you are in Europe? All you people know is to attend one party or the other. None of them is in struggle for hygiene and society. None of them. But you can insult an individual who does not even have cow in your state. But people that own cow and they are selling land, punishing people, even your follower, they'll get problem and me they won't call. But you cannot. You are not using your Facebook for a better thing. Just let's go to YouTube. Tell me any Edo man that is on trouble, apart from these two major men I mentioned right now and Apostle Alfredo, you know, sir. These two men, Kola Edokpayi and Emmanuel Agbogun, they are not my friend, but they have been making press conference. We have a Queen team where they were pursuing Kola Edokpayi. Kola Edokpayi may not know today that I prayed for him. He may not know. Because we don't know. We are defending people. The matter get to my table. I say, "What am I when I worry me up by way?" Yeah, told everyone. He was reported to me where they were looking for him. Why? Because he talked to some people no figuring out. For how long are we going to continue like this? That you just sell people's land like that? But these people have not been making press conference. Yeah, and yes again, idiot in animal and activists before you. They also went to the struggle. That what they are doing is not good. And you become useless. You hear locally. We are there, Webo. Let every one of you come to Jand. Come and survive here in Jand. Do you think it's easy? Where the work are really Webo. And then we're totally Mamadre Baraka or Barabemana because of your dirty behavior and the sicky character. Do you think it's easy? That's why a European may look at him. Because I know how I got here. I know my potential in this place. What that is, where we born here, if you tell me no for where we are coming, we are wale le negbena. Daddy mo can move total. With the virtue of what I know, we bawa down we uri eba na venko. You want to relay me on the street? We bawa down. You see when they are home, they are local league. Drag it is that is noise. But people that their life have been photosynthesized. If they are talking to you, don't want to listen. Because you have knucklehead. Imagine a lifespan where you live the 60 years of your life living in darkness. You live in darkness. The part of your cerebrum is black. Everywhere black. That's why it does not reason well. The me agua. Ime hana mede. Nesti benwo ya gogo. I don't drink any of that water. Euro. Every ogefe. We no one mu ha won. Wa mi no won. Dem ya go away arewa. When people that know what they talk, who damn you, or you listen and learn. But they will never learn. They believe on that they are cake. He was even said the other day, Yoruba, they are your children. Why are telling them that? They know why would dog work? They know why we know you. So what they could do? What be because you are trying to drag territory. Let it be, it was a responsibility now working. Now this artifact, bring 20 billion, come and collect it. All of you will run and leave it for Obaseki. Obaseki, go and carry it. You know you are #1 citizen. And right now, because he hold a lady, he's not #1 citizen of Viomba and Obaseki. That's how stupid people become. They did not even call it a son to the palace. They call it of Viomba. That's how now Antonio some of those people will suffer for 601 years. That's why they are going to die in this ground, and nothing. Civilization will not come to that place. Except a lot of people need to die. They think archaically. They don't want to grow. You decamp from a role of activist. You are not fighting an activist that is fighting the recourse. That's when I know that or now we make an I mean no one velarere. That or do that you need to your head need to be operated now well a machine. Then I'm well a machine, a one state of resonance magnetic, they need to wash your brain. If not, you are what do here. Oh, what was it years ago to do with Fulani? I know we had this ago, we are telling Fulani. But I keep on still wondering today, why is it that people no lay cost on Fulani, no matter where you go, if you people are not wicked? Why are they not laid costs? For Fulani, we know they let their people they go to farm. That Edo right now, Edo is buying Gary in the farm. They cannot even afford it right now. Now government want to do all. Very, very painful. Very, very painful and disgusting. Una the Kanu was your problem, but today the problem, your father cannot still go to farm. And these are how wicked they are. They don't even care about you. Now let it they care about you. That's why I touch it. Sorry, I'm not touching all area because they owe me money. I touch it because I know that we have to fight for our people. But they don't care. Look at them now. They enter Facebook and begin to talk because they're always on the fence. Man on the fence. Where issue for critical, you can't see them there. Because money I can't it is when those say now become like diaspora. They don't tell me, what are you doing? What are you doing? I am a modo with Kanu. You will use your state to start making shakara when you have been able to place a lot of things in order. Not the way it is right now. Sunday Igboho is in jail, Makanwa. Nnamdi Kanu is in prison. The only offense committed by Nnamdi Kanu in heaven and on earth was to defend the defenseless in Nigeria. That's what this man is in jail for. The same thing that happened to Jesus. Jesus Christ came over and saved their forefathers. These people now that are now praying online, though, may God punish all of them. They came and want to save their forefathers. It was even their forefather that gave Jesus Christ vinegar. I told you the other day it was some of the dope people. Genesis chapter 6 verse 6 that God saw, he regretted why he make man. Now some of the dope men. All those bad Enigis and the bad Okagilis that make it destroy the earth. Then you are waiting for God to come and do it. How will God do for you now what you are giving power to do for yourself? Now Jesus Christ, now Jesus Christ the fair key for cross of Calvary. Where they doing in Jesus? Now they say Jesus the fair key for cross of Calvary. If he pay no, the fair killer. Where we God of Moses. Number 31 verse 49. Moses were coming back from war. He was coming back from war. They carried battle at both Abe, both gone. They were coming back from war. And Moses told them, go and count. He said, Master, we have counted the people under your control. And none is missing. But your pastor will sit at the altar and be saying, Lord, Ghost fire. Not be not Tunde Abakare, they wake up now. He don't over all of them. He don't over all of them. So far money come. People, governors, elder that said their brother, because if anything, Nnamdi Kanu is in jail right now. What is still better in Nigeria? Ask yourself this question. He's in jail right now. Let's assume your problem have been locked in jail. What is the changes? Then you guys are all in social media. On the last day, let's assume now. Let's come. We are not talking about animals that drag a committee for Edo or 30. What struggle have you been fighting? Pass now, green pass. Radio Europe, nobody's talking about it apart from me. Nobody. Earlier the better viewers, may una know. Don't play with your life. Stop playing with your life. Take whatever thing you are doing serious. If not so, we just see get power to do and reach. God knows say you try. Don't take it lightly with these animals. They are using you for themselves. Nobody, common green path, the whole state, our state, it come to a time, Bologna was our state. If I'm an with the way, for protests happen there. But we not get people for Italy. And they don't see that there are mass protests in the whole Italy today. Nearly the whole state is only their own. Nearly the whole all states in Italy. Because what? Not to green pass. Why are they not talking about it? Hola amigo, ¿qué tal? Bueno. Why are they not talking about it? They will not talk about it now because Oswayan. They will never talk about it. At least something they see they happen. If you are really presenter, pick it up. Not all the Bible people. They are looking for cheaper. It has happened now because they are fall a victim. Come and defend it. That yeah, the injection is good. Come and defend it. Make up. If you don't come and defend that, God will punish you there. Come and defend it now. You will not now because you will. No, I always say animal. Oh, thank God, those are they are grace of animal. The low class animal are well working. Useless animals. Very many everywhere. You that couldn't think for yourself. I think for billions of people in the world. I think for billions of people in the world. My program is affecting lives. It's affecting lives in a positive form. I don't come here and say jargons. I don't believe in shenanigans. Whatever thing I put it here, verify. Go and verify it. I told you guys the other day to go and check Galantic Federation. As any of you read about Galantic Federation, maybe most of you may not be able to read about it because we're very busy somehow. Stop encouraging all this platform who is always doing psychophancy. Encourage platform that talk about the written. Who will catch a no-gay, say, sell and always no-gay, who be a no-gay? That want the people to die? The people who would have rigged Buyekun, mad just for body, go raid Fulani for us. They are sitting down in their palace, waiting farmers killed. Then they cast calls. Who talk, go die. If you talk, you go die. If you not talk, you go die. You better talk and die, better pass. Because you are still going to die. There are most of you now where your mumu don't kill you already. I'm waiting for any efu. Accuse me, Newton, that green pass is a lie. Don't time, man. At least we very opportunity, you know. Now, if you want to play draft at times, who will no man, who J5 in there? Me J5 in nowhere. A zero me. Come and defend it, you know. You can't now. Mumuriti. I have seen some men telling another woman, hey, do me you go take animals. Die. If I see that kind of person, the way I'll tell you so to Iwa who be no man for Iwa. Mother was supposed to be the head of the house. You are not even the toes of the house. And how can you give what you don't have? It's what you have that you give. That's why you see all these animals in social media. They couldn't do a program that is to say that they all fail woefully. It's not about that. I told you before. You fail woefully and they fail. Now we're celebrating stupidity. Oh, dash monkey banana. We'll soon be running up right now. How will you go your Facebook? If something hard, you go hide. Then you have never wanted to insult anybody. You have never wanted to insult anybody. You go to Benin and you can still go anywhere. Why some people, they have been retreated even from the Benin there. One of them to activity, it comes to time, then they run at times, so then they run. Do you know how many times they have blocked this man home? I don't want to mention his name. They block him at home several times. But we still come out the next day strong. But you are there. speaking English where you don't know. In the glass, I cannot defend anything. If you hear say one fool and yes men keep for so and so village, they keep for so and so village. At the time the video will come out that it was some useless enogi who collected money from Fulani to sort the people out to this thing. They not go talk because they don't want to carry enmity. They go leave that area. That's what they do. We they see you now. Thank God 1 or 2 persons also watching. Let me see how you guys escape this year. This your stupidity. Nonsense. We are at war. We got to fight it. Right now, the grand patriot, my own patriot, one the canon, because he's standing on the way for them not to come and kill you. If not to not connect today, therefore don't Nigeria for don't finish. But a lot of you don't value it. It happened to Jerusalem, no kwama we that Jesus Christ. But today now Jesus Christ now they follow online. On Sunday avec Baba na Jesus Christ wa ya tubu. I can they hate what your pa, what you say your pa hate, you know hate. Nonsense. See everywhere. In wari agitota. O milarena. Ejewa yerena. Even not because the European they try. Genya mate mu mari anagide. Wa mia wa gbina wo bona. Useless animals on uniform. Only the people that does not fight. If they want to even fight struggle, they fight negative struggle. Struggle that will not yield up anything at all. And they fight. Struggle that will never, in their full life, you never did anything. They'll just the fight and there and people the path follow them. Or what if we don't fight our wale, we won't work because mama we. Gagana. We bo we jena. Now we bo you wherever bo we jemi anani. Okoga go wa no born. Then who are you going to blame them? You start accusing which. Which not to the worry people now. Your mind now they worry you, idiot. So for those of you watching there, God bless you. If you are watching and you love what we've done, God bless you. Please, let's see who the line is. We are waiting for the emergency broadcasting moment from now. I mean, I will always win. Eternal way competition. Wana tebone Donald Trump. Omano salo bagiri. Wa ya gwa kan green pass na. Wa we green pass na me protest ba. Wa amame no mumu la dan wo wan ya. She animals on uniform. Eternal with Agbuwa party is going to be 0-0. Either 4-0 Agbuwa or Baseki. Donald Trump. Time when I will why are you? Oh, my mama, I use that guy to talk. No, it didn't everywhere. You know, they were trying to maybe. I beg you, do have a nice day and God bless you all in Jesus' name.